In this video, you will learn how to update the OKX app on your Android device. This process ensures that you have the latest features and security improvements available for the app. Begin by locating the Google Play Store icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. The Google Play Store icon typically resembles a colorful triangle. Tap on it to open the application. Once the Google Play Store is open, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type OKX using your device's keyboard. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. After entering OKX, look for the app in the search results. The OKX app will usually appear at or near the top of the list. When you find it, tap on the app icon to access its details page. On the OKX app page, you may see an update button. If there is a newer version available, tap the update button to begin the process. The app will start downloading and installing the latest version, which may take a moment depending on your internet speed. If the button instead displays open, this indicates that you are already using the latest version of the OKX app. No further action is needed in this case. It is important to ensure that your device has enough storage space available for the update. If you encounter any issues, check your available storage in the settings menu before attempting the update again.